Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're doing a practical and interesting experiment with old fluorescent lamp transformers. The goal is to create multiple AC voltage levels using series-connected transformers. Each transformer has a 220-volt AC input and a 12-volt AC output. The middle pins are the 220-volt input and the side pins are the 12-volt output. All transformer inputs are connected directly to the mains voltage. The 12-volt outputs are connected in series, step by step. When we measure each transformer output individually, the voltages are not exactly the same. This happens because of load conditions, core quality, and transformer tolerance. But when we measure across multiple transformers, the voltages add up. In series connection, voltages add together. In series-connected transformers, the current does not increase. The maximum current is limited by the weakest transformer. Voltage is variable, but the current stays the same or may even decrease. For series connection, phase alignment is critical. If phases are wrong, voltages can cancel out. For parallel connection, voltage and phase must be exactly the same. This method is useful when you need adjustable AC voltage levels. It's great for repair work, testing circuits, and learning transformer behavior. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next experiment.